Add some oil in a pan. Around 1 tablespoon of butter. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic and 1 small dried red chilli. We will let this cook for a few minutes because we want to prepare a very aromatic garlic and chili oil. This will be the base of our recipe and it will infuse a very wonderful aromatic flavor to the recipe. So once it starts off smelling all garlicky and you can see the garlic is turning a little bit brown, we will add 1 cup of chopped courgette. Cook this for a few minutes. After around 5 to 7 minutes, we can see these courgettes, they have changed their color and they are becoming a little bit soft. To this, I'm gonna add 2 cups of chopped leeks. We will cover this for 10 more minutes. After around 10 minutes, we can see the leeks, they have wilted down a little bit. In case the pan is too dry, add a little bit of water. To this we will add around 250 grams of Arborio risotto rice and mix well. Add water. It will be a good idea if you can keep hot water beforehand. So now we will cover this till this liquid is fully absorbed and then we will add a second batch of water to this. So let's cover this up. After a few minutes, we can see the water has been absorbed completely and it's getting dry. We will keep on adding more water until the rice becomes soft. In case you don't want the risotto to become too spicy, you can take out the dried chilies beforehand. Add some more water. We will continue this process of adding water and letting the rice absorb all the liquid until it becomes all soft. It takes a little bit of patience to make risotto because you have to add water multiple times and you have to keep on checking whether it has cooked or not, but at the end the effort is completely worth it. Let's check again. So the liquid is all absorbed, and I can see the rice is getting more, it is getting thicker, and I can feel it a little bit soft. But I think it's gonna need another batch of water before it is completely cooked. Add salt. It looks like the rice is ready now, but we need to check that. Let's have a taste. The rice is cooked, but it needs a little bit of seasoning. Add half a teaspoon of black pepper. In case the rice is getting stuck at the bottom of the pan, add few drops of water. And add Parmesan cheese, around 1/4 cup. Mix well. While serving, add some baby spinach leaves on top for garnishing, and sprinkle some more cheese on top. Your creamy courgette and leek risotto is now ready to be served.